All right, here's the simplest way that I know how to do this. Go ahead and plot your endpoint and your midpoint on a graph, and then you're simply going to count how far down and how far over it takes to go from the endpoint to the midpoint. So this is down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps, and then right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so down 5 and right 8. So we're just going to repeat that. If that's how far it takes to go from the end to the middle, then that's the same amount of time it's going to take to get to the other end. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right 8. It's going to be here. And that puts us, let me change my pen, that puts us here at 8, -1. That's the other endpoint. That's it. Count the same amount down and over, and then do it again down and over. And you will land at the other end point. So, all right. Hope that helps you. See you next time.